Active night here in the Weather Center. We have new severe thunderstorm warnings to let you know about, so let's head over first to our Illinois counties where those warnings are currently in effect. We just had a warning expire. That was for Cumberland and Effingham counties. It's set to expire at 9:15 Central Time, and it certainly did. So now we have that new warning to talk about for Clark, Coles, Cumberland, Effingham, and Jasper counties over in Illinois until 9:45 Central Time. This storm is tracking off to the east around 45 miles per hour. Now I'll put a tracker on this system and track it to the east again as it's moving right around 45 miles per hour. This storm set to move into the city of Hidalgo in about 2 minutes, Rose Hill in 3 minutes, Hazeldale in 8 minutes, KZ in around 10 minutes. It's going to continue to track off to the east, and as it does, it'll push into our Indiana counties here within the hour. So Terre Haute, if you're watching us from Vigo County or really anywhere in Indiana, keep in mind this line is not quite here just yet. It is going to be moving in within the next hour or so. Talking about our threats, looks like hail. This storm does have a history of producing some hail. That is in the center area here of Coles County. Also, the lightning potential quite widespread over the next 30 minutes. These yellow colors here indicate where lightning strikes of 40, 50 per hour are going to be possible. That is mainly contained in Coles County now, right along that I-70 corridor throughout our Illinois counties. Everyone going to be under an enhanced risk of severe storms for the rest of the evening, or at least until this line passes through, and that is why the entire Wabash Valley now is under that tornado watch. This will be in effect through 1 Central through our Illinois counties. So keep in mind, everyone at risk of seeing some stronger storms as this line passes by. Primary threats for the rest of this evening going to be hail and damaging wind gusts. We're starting to get some reports in from our Illinois counties of wind damage, also flooding with all the rain that's expected, and this is a tornado watch. So we can't rule out the possibility of a spin-up tornado within this line of storms. Speaking of flooding concerns, we do have a flash flood watch that will be in effect all throughout the valley through this evening. Temperatures are still warm here locally. We still have the energy in the atmosphere to fuel some of these thunderstorms and for them to reach severe limits. We are in the 70s still, but check out how potent this cold front is just up to our northwest. We're talking the 30s and snow up near Des Moines, Iowa. Quickly going to see that cooler air rushing in as soon as this system passes by. And this is very impressive, folks. We have warnings all along this line, all the way down to the Gulf Coast. This center of low pressure going to continue to track off to the east, and that's exactly what this line is expected to do. So for the rest of the evening tonight, beginning at 10 o'clock on Futurecast, it'll slowly progress into the Indiana-Illinois border region by around 11 o'clock, moving into our Illinois counties, or Indiana counties rather, through about midnight. And then that severe threat comes to an end right around 2 o'clock in the morning, and we start to clear things out heading through the rest of the evening. Temperatures turn much cooler to the upper 40s and then 60s for highs tomorrow. Everything is going to clear out for us looking ahead at the end of the week. So 47 tonight, severe weather still going to be possible over the next few hours. I'll make sure to keep you posted.